Welcome back to Petals and Perils. It's mid-October. It's a pretty mild day. I'm a little worried that I'm not going to be able to get outside when it hits November because I really don't like to be cold. But anyways, I'm layered up. There's still quite a few jobs to do. So today we're planting allium-bulbs. Apparently mid-October is the time to do it. So I'm going to prepare the ground and I'll run the video while I'm doing that. There are some weeds to clear. I'll top it up with some good compost and then put them in the ground, give them a good drink. They should be planted. I'll show you. So you'll see a little point at the top of the bulb, and you want the pointy part to be up when you put it in the ground, and they're going to be about 4 inches deep. It's tempting sometimes to plant them all in a row, which I've done in the past, but I'm trying to naturalize my garden a bit, so I'm going to do more like clusters, a couple little clusters. I have 20 bulbs to plant, so maybe I'll do 3 little clusters. These allium grow to about just over 3 feet high, or about 3.5 feet tall, including the bloom. So it should, create some really nice height. I really love the globe shape of the flower. There's a fun little folklore with allium, and that is that because of their shape and those long stalks and those sort of globe-like flowers on the end that can be purple or white, I think these are supposed to be purple, that they were considered, like a lantern basically, or a witch's lantern they were sometimes called, and it was said that at night the moon would kind of light them up and they would glow to help the witches find home. So it's kind of a fun one. So anyway, I'm going to plant them in the front yard and they can guide me home when I'm out doing my witchy things. Anyways, follow along. I'll show you how it's done. The recommendation is to keep them 4 inches deep and 4 inches apart, but I might break some of those rules as usual. We'll see. It might be a little more snug than that. Okay. No. Looks a bit deep, doesn't it? Add a bit more soil here. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Keeping them facing pointy side up. 4. Oh, that's cool. That one's like half black, half white, or half brown-ish. I don't know what that means, but we'll see. So that's 5, 6, and 7. Actually, that fits really nice. I'm quite happy with that. Not as snug as I thought it was going to be. I'm just going to top it up with more soil and work that in with some of the existing soil that I've pulled out already. Then I'll show you a picture of the compost of the day, because we're always using something different around here, depending what's on sale. It's all one big experiment. Thanks for watching again. Hopefully you're inspired to go out and do a little fall planting of bulbs yourself. It's such a treat when they begin to show up later and you go, oh yeah, I forgot I put those in the ground. That's great. The compost of the day that we're using, I'll show you, is called Vigoro, V-I-G-O-R-O, Black Earth, and it says it's ideal for annuals, perennials, roses, and other flowering plants. And I have purchased this one on a couple occasions. I do like it. and it happens to be on sale right now. So that's kind of nice. Here's a scan of it. It's it there. If you need to go pick some up. Good. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.